Good morning, Jai Hind. Welcome in my class. This is the sociology class of Kilarat, in which we study social changes and order in rural and urban societies. So today we will discuss whatever the further changes, whatever the further orders, whatever the things are given, we have to understand in this chapter. In my previous video, we have discussed what is the social change and how it is changing time to time. Change is permanent thing, it always happen in our life. So what happened next? What is social order? What is class? What is law and order authority? What is status? All these things we will discuss in this chapter. So you know what is class, what is status, law and order. जब हम एक समाज का निर्माण करते हैं, लोगों का, सोसाइटी का निर्माण करते हैं, तो कुछ दिनों बाद हमको ज़रूरत महसूस होती है कि उसको कैसे कंट्रोल में रखा जाए. उसके लिए कुछ कायदे कानून गवर्नमेंट बनाती है जिसको हम लॉ एंड ऑर्डर कहते हैं. उस पर कैसे अमल किया जाए, उसको कैसे किया जाए, उसके लिए पुलिस फोर्स बनाई जाती है, जुडिशरी सिस्टम होता है. ये सारी चीज़ें इसके अंदर आती हैं. जब आप इसको पढ़ेंगे तो आपको समझ में आएगा कि इसमें क्या क्या चीज़ें आती हैं और किस तरह ये सोशोलॉजी से जुड़ा हुआ है. जब हम समाज के बारे में बात करते हैं तो हमें ये जानना ही पड़ेगा कि किस तरह ये हमारे समाज को अपने साथ जोड़ता है, किस तरह इसका असर हमारे ऊपर पड़ता है, क्यों हमें लॉ एंड ऑर्डर की ज़रूरत पड़ती है, अथॉरिटीज़ क्या होती हैं, इसका क्या लेना देना है. तो आपको ये सब चीज़ें पड़ेंगी. अर्बन सोसाइटीज़, यू ऑलरेडी स्टडी व्हाट एवर द डिफरेंसेस इन अर्बन सोसाइटीज़. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस द सोशल कंट्रोल. As social changes is inevitable, similarly all society need to have a network of social control. We need to be controlled, otherwise there will be no difference between us and animals. So we need a social control. So how we control? What is the social control? Social control means the active maintenance and reproduction of a particular pattern of social relations and of values and norms. All societies encourage members spontaneously, they abide by a set of rules and norms, or people are compelled in various ways to obey such norms. In school you have to follow certain norms, so that is the way to control the society. For control, society needs authority. Authority is a person who has inherent power to give reward to or punishment to maintain social network. अब कंट्रोल हम करेंगे तो हमें कंट्रोल कौन करेगा? उसके लिए एक अथॉरिटी की ज़रूरत होती है जो रूल्स रेगुलेशन को मॉनिटर करती है. अकॉर्डिंग टू वेबर, अथॉरिटी इज़ अ लेजिटिमेट पावर. ब्यूरोक्रेसी, पुलिस, जुडिशरी एटसेट्रा एक्सरसाइज देयर पावर. द अथॉरिटी इज़ प्रोवाइडेड टू देम बाय द सिस्टम. नेक्स्ट, डोमिनेशन एंड लॉ आर अनदर एस्पेक्ट ऑफ सोशल कंट्रोल. समाज को कायदे कानून के अलावा दो कुछ और भी चीज़ें हैं जो कंट्रोल करती हैं. उसमें से एक है डोमिनेशन एंड सोशल एंड लॉ. डोमिनेशन इज़ अ साइकोलॉजिकल फिनोमेना. डोमिनेंस एग्जिस्ट एज अ फीलिंग इन द पर्सनालिटी ऑफ द इंडिविजुअल. इट इज़ अ पर्सनल ट्रेट विच also be related to a specific situation. फादर हैज़ अ डोमिनेंट रोल इन ऑर्डिनरी. डोमिनेंस क्या होता है? आप समाज में देखिए, जो मजबूत होता है उसकी बातें सुनी जाती हैं. इस तरह से वो अपने समाज को कंट्रोल करता है. लोग उसी के रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन को फॉलो करते हैं. जैसे स्कूल में प्रिंसिपल, घर में माँ बाप होता है ना, वैसे ही होते हैं जो जिसको डोमिनेंस कहते हैं. लॉ जो होता है हमारा कायदा कानून, जो हम सोशल रूल्स बनाते हैं जिसको हमें फॉलो करना होता है. इन सोशल टर्म्स, लेजिटिमेसी रिफर्स टू द डिग्री ऑफ एक्सेप्टेंस that is involved in power relation. Contestation is a broad form of insist, disagreement, competition and conflict are more specific than this. Counter cultures among faith in example of this. These are refusal to conform to prevalent social norms. Contestations are manifestation of protest against laws of powerful authorities. A crime is an act that violate an existing law. Basically, crime is the breaking of law. When you study law, you should know the crime. Why we need a law? Because many people are habitual of doing crime, so we need law against them to control them. Crime has many features like any behavior prohibited by law. Criminal intent, it is directly linked with punishment. positively correlated to behavior and causing harm, etc. There are various factors of crime like biological factors, economic factors, geographical factors, socio-cultural and psychological factors. आज के ज़माने में तो नहीं, लेकिन पहले के ज़माने में जब लोगों के अपने अपने लोगों के राज हुआ करते थे तो उनके अपने अपने कायदे कानून हुआ करते थे. आज तो हम एक तरह का लॉ फॉलो करते हैं, सारे लोग एक तरह की चीज़ें फॉलो करते हैं, और जो कानून में जिस चीज़ को मना है करना, उस चीज़ के ख़िलाफ़ जब कोई इंसान काम करता है तो उसको उसके मुताबिक सज़ा दी जाती है, जिसके लिए लॉ बनाया जाता है. कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो इम्पॉर्टेंट टर्म्स हैं जो आपको जानना चाहिए कि वो क्या होती है, वो क्यों होती है. जिस में से पहला है अथॉरिटी. व्हाट इज़ अथॉरिटी? अथॉरिटी, इट रिफर्स टू अ पर्सन और इंस्टीट्यूशन विच हैज़ इनहेरेंट पावर टू गिव रिवार्ड ऑफ पनिशमेंट. It may be traditional authority, legal authority or charismatic authority. According to Weber, it is legitimate power. Social change, changes which occur in social organization or social structure and function. Internal social change, change in norms and values. External social change. What is external social change? Changes in form of family, marriage, caste, class, kinship, marriage, etc. कुछ changes ऐसे होते हैं जो इन सब चीज़ों की वजह से आते हैं, उसको एक्सटर्नल कहते हैं, जिसका असर पड़ता है किसी और की. जब शादी होती है किसी और परिवार में जाते हैं तो कुछ चीज़ें, कुछ बदलाव हमारे अंदर आते हैं, या हम किसी और को बदलते हैं, तो वो सोशल एक्सटर्नल चेंज होते हैं. चेंज, डिफरेंस इन द नॉर्म ऑफ difference in the form of any condition or existence from its previous, from its called changes. Cultural lag, any imbalance that occur in the speed of change between two types of culture, that is cultural lag. Law, body of rules which are recognized, interpreted and applied to particular situation by the courts of the state. Contestation, the broad form of insistent disagreement, a situation when people tend to protest against to the conform to existing social norms. Conformity, a type of social influence, it is behavior according to pre-existing group norms. Obedience, a type of social influence, it is behavior according to the orders or command of any authority. Compliance, a type of social influence, it is behavior according to request made by someone, maybe an authority. Social sanction, related to reward and punishments that are used to bring about social control. Crime, any act of the individual that violates the existing law is considered as crime. Diffusion, transmission of some traits of a particular culture to another culture which causes changes is known as diffusion. You have known a fusion dance, you mix two types of dance, so this is also the intermingling of two cultures or more cultures. Social evolution, a kind of social change which manifests gradual and slow process of change in institutions. Revolution, sudden or accidental change in the structure of society is called revolution. Charismatic authority, a leader having great influence on others due to his personality is known as charismatic authority. Rural society, a simple community based on agriculture. Urban society, a large organization of people living in limited area with high population density and high degree of intercommunication. Village, a unit of rural community where rural life upholds itself and does perform its function. So these are the things you have to study in this chapter. Changes, how changes affect our life. These were the important points you need to note and write down in your copies so that you always remember these points. Okay, this is not simple thing. If you consider that sociology is very easy, you can do it. No, you actually, the subject is talking about all the subject. It is like an umbrella. Under this umbrella all the subjects are resting. You have to study about all those subjects all together when you study sociology. So what you need your focus. You need to discuss, you need to ask anytime, you need to feel free. If anything comes in your mind, if something strike and you want to ask, want to get clearance, you need to ask, you need to consult. This is very important to understand this subject very well. If you ask, I will provide you question answer of the both chapters, whatever we have already studied, but you have to prepare notes, you have to write down short questions, you have to make your own questions. And one more and very important thing is you need to do all the activities given in both chapters. Activities are very important in sociology. You have to discuss all those activities in the form of debate, in the form of article, in the form of writing speech. You have to discuss each and every activity with your friends, or you can discuss with me too. I hope you understood. I hope you enjoyed my class, and I will come with next topic in my next video. But you don't feel afraid or don't feel any negativity. Don't just feel anything that harms you from learning. Ask me, discuss with me. By studying, everything is given in the book. What you need explanation, and I am here to provide you explanation of each and every word. Whenever you contact me, whenever you ask me, whenever you share your problem with me, I will always be with you to discuss your queries, answer your questions. So I hope you enjoy my class. Thank you very much, my dear children. We will meet in my next video. Till then, Jai Hind.